Thinking about increasing the value of your home in Calgary? Renovations are one of the smartest ways to invest in your property as the city continues to grow. As Calgary's urban landscape expands, more homeowners are actually choosing to invest in their existing properties, particularly in the inner city areas. Whether it's, say, expanding the square footage or upgrading key areas, a smart renovation can significantly increase your home's value. Adding extra space, like finishing a basement or expanding your living area, can dramatically increase your home's value. In fact, more space means more appeal to potential buyers, making your property more desirable in this competitive market. Updating key areas like the kitchen and bathroom is another way to see great return on your investment. Things like modern appliances, fresh finishes, and a functional layout attract higher offers when it's time to sell. Smart renovations can increase your home's value, so whether you plan to sell or stay, investing in your property today can help secure your future. As Calgary grows, so does the potential for your home.